Good evening, Mayor Macias and Huntington Park City Council. I declare to this council three very clear demands. First, rescind the appointments of the two illegal aliens, Francisco Medina and Julian Zaharain, to the two city commissions.
Yes.
And second, I call on, aside from Mr. Amezquita, that this city council step down.
Yes.
You have failed this community, you have ignored the needs and concerns of the legal residents, and you are openly endorsing lawlessness.
Yes.
Here, we the people are sending a message to all elected officials in Los Angeles County and around the country. Do not dismiss or diminish the United States Constitution, the rule of law, or the legal residents, whether born or naturalized. Do not appoint illegal aliens to positions of public trust or service at the expense of legal residents.
Yes.
You are not going to put legal residents in the back of the bus in favor of the legal aliens. We the people have already stopped the buses in Murrieta. We are riding this bus, and we're going to decide who rides and who gets off. Don't you dare crucify citizenship on a cross of big amnesty and call it a humanitarian effort.
Good
With
point.
the Chamber of Commerce on one side and La Raza on the other handing out the nails. I have already called out on Supervisor Hilda Solis, who has relented to allow ICE into the jails. When she will do her job and demand that you start respecting the rule of law and remove the two illegal aliens from the city commission, I will applaud that effort too. I have already spoken with Congresswoman Roybal Allard, and she gave me the most worthless excuse. Well, ICE hasn't picked up the illegal aliens yet, therefore they haven't broken the law. I would like to see any other lawbreaker in this community use the same excuse. You might say that to those who trash lawns or park in red zones. Nobody's caught them, so maybe there's no law broken there either.
There you go.
I repeat my demand for a forensic audit of this city.
Yes.
Businesses and community leaders are more aware of the financial woes and civic dysfunction undermining this city, and the affront which the appointments of two illegals has served to distract from those issues. Last of all, I want to join with Huntington Park residents and honor Nick Ioannidis, a legal resident who immigrated to this country. He had nothing, he made something of himself, and he has given everything he's got to this city and to this country.
Robert.
He deserves to sit on Huntington Park City Commissions, an immigrant who respects the rule of law and demands that you do the same. He is a citizen patriot, and it is appalling to me at the disgraceful disrespect that this city has given to him. He deserves a better country, as do the rest of us. He should be recognized, not just on October 28th, but I would say every day of the year, and every day that he's come to this council expecting you to obey the rule of law. Once again, rescind the appointments, step down. We send a message to every community. Don't ever do this again.
At this time, I'm calling 5-minute recess, and the gentleman that is saying yes, 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 I'll call you out of order at this moment, and I'm gonna call the sergeant of officer to escort him out. 5-minute recess right now.